Hello Jira users. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up a customer satisfaction dashboard in Jira Service Management using the Performance Objectives app. We'll explore 5 different reports that offer insights into customer satisfaction data from different perspectives. Let's start with a simple chart that shows the number of issues by satisfaction score. For the data source, we'll filter for resolved issues within the desired period and project. Then, we'll add the JQL query, satisfaction is not empty, to ensure that we only include issues for which CSAT feedback is received. We'll keep the default metric, which is number of issues, and set the display by field to satisfaction. Our next example is the average CSAT per request type report, but you can display it by any field that is relevant to you. The data source settings will be the same as in the previous chart. For the metric, we'll select satisfaction, and change the calculation to average. For display by, we'll select request type field, and switch to tiles view for a more engaging display. Now, let's look at customer satisfaction as a key performance indicator for individual performance. We'll set up an average satisfaction score per agent report. Again, we'll use the same data source and metric settings, but this time, we'll display by the assignee field. For additional value, we can add a target for each assignee to align with the team average rate. This will help identify agents who may need additional training or support to improve their performance. Next, you can configure a 5-star satisfaction ratio report. This report calculates the percentage of issues that received a 5-star rating compared to all rated issues. To set this up, keep the same data source settings as before. For the metric calculation, select formula and follow the steps demonstrated in the video. For the first formula parameter, switch to conditional, and select satisfaction metric. Then enter the expression on the screen to count only 5-star issues. For the second parameter, select the number of issues metric and save it. Finally, assign a custom name to the formula metric, and enter the formula equation to calculate the ratio. For display by, select resolved, and specify by month. As you have already seen, the Performance Objectives app offers rich capabilities that allow you to configure numerous CSAT-related reports, including a CSAT response rate. It will measure the ratio of resolved issues that received customer satisfaction feedback, compared to the total number of resolved issues. If you need help configuring this or any other report for Jira, check out our other videos, or feel free to reach out to us directly. Thank you for watching.